How to hide your friends list on Facebook using an iPhone. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Now tap the Settings and Privacy. Again, tap Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Next, tap How People Find and Contact You. Now select Who Can See Your Friends List. Tap See All. Then choose Only Me to make your friends list private. This prevents other people from viewing your full friends list through your profile. Keep in mind that Facebook can still show mutual friends between you and another person. There is currently no separate setting that completely hides mutual friend information. Once you've selected Only Me, tap Save.
And that's how you can hide your Facebook friends list and limit the visibility of your friends on an iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.